guys, we should install Tailwind CSS now. So first of all, open up a new tab and type here Tailwind CSS and go to the official website. Click for get started, and you should see the install after the installation Tailwind CLI, and also using ports CSS. And the other thing is framework guides, so click over framework guides, and we are using Next.js, so we should click over Next.js. And after that you should see some guideline, okay, how to create the app, and go to the directory. And after that we should run the auto prefixer. We should install the auto prefixer. So we are going to terminate the running app and install it. And after that we should also run another command. So you should see that the two files are generated successfully, the both CSS and the tailwind config.js file. And this is the file what is given here. So we should copy all of this code into here, okay, and click save. And we should also give this to our global CSS. You have to just go to the styles, and you should see the global styles, global CSS. So I'm going to remove all the CSS here, and I should paste this. And after that we should run this npm run command. Okay, let's copy this and go to the index directory, and I am going to move this div and also this div, all of this div, and paste this. Okay, click save and run npm run div. After that we should copy this and just paste here, and then we should see our successfully installed page hello world. Okay, we can give something here, page it dark, click save, and if we refresh this, I think it's already dark, that's why it's not going like that. If we type blue, then what happens? I think it's not working. Okay, so how should we give the background colors? Find it. Yeah, it's showing. So we have to give the mark here. So this is it, guys. So I will see you in the next video. we have successfully installed the Tailwind CSS into our Next.js. So just wait for the next video. Tata, bye bye.